Today's our topic is image reference, and we will see that how we can use image reference and we can edit our pics. So without wasting time, let's start. First of all, we will have to click on this plus button. A small pop-up will come and we have to click on upload a file. It will take us directly to the software where we have our pics, and you have to just click on any pic that you want to edit. So here is our pic, and what the next step is that we will have to click on it, then right click on it, copy image address or copy link, both are same. So if you will click on it, your link will be copied. So you will go here, type slash, click on imagine prompt, and you have to just control V. We have to paste our link here, then we will comma, space, and here we will write our prompt. So here is our prompt. So you can read this prompt: raw portrait photography of beautiful with blue eyes and dreadlocks in the style vibrant cyberpunk. Photo by, these are the reference. These are photographer. You can go and search about it, and professional photographer, Canon, and these are some settings. These are all the things. So we will just click on it. Let's see what will be the result of it. So here is our result. Let me open this in new tab. By opening this in new tab, you will see the full result or full quality. So here is pic 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want 4 variations of the pic 1, you have to click on V1. And if you want to upscale this pic, then all you have to do is you click on U1. Same way the rest of the pic will be treated. So here we will go upscale. We will upscale this, but we don't want any 4 variations. So for this reason, we have to click on U3. So we will not click on V3 because we don't want 4 variations. We want just upscale this. So if we will click on U3, we will get this result. And let me open this in new tab. And here you can see the full quality of it. This is our final result. So I hope this video will help you to edit your pics in MidJourney. If you have any type of queries, you can comment and I will reply you.